Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2022 edition Peugeot 3008 PureTech Active Premium Plus that does come complemented in a stunning blue paintwork. Housing your 1.2 petrol engine and manual transmission, it is an ideal spacious upgrade. Packed with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your parking sensors, reversing camera, and even your power folding wing mirrors. The 520-litre boot capacity is ideal for storing your travel essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures comfort all round with access to your central climate vents. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience whilst driving, alongside access to your central touch display screen and again the comfort of your cloth trim. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel with your options to display various driving data on your digital cockpit screen, followed on your central display by your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity to keep you connected on the go, and of course your variation of radio stations. You do also have your on-screen driving functions alongside the activation of your parking sensors and reversing camera, which will be activated whilst manoeuvring, guiding you into any tricky parking spot. This is followed below by your main climate controls and driving functions alongside your central cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.